Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Avis Budget, Montreal Airport, and to give you a quick tour of some of the cars they have available here. Again, just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And it looks like we got a Toyota Corolla, a couple compact SUVs, Mitsubishi, got a Kia Soul from the US. And you can kind of see in behind that's where some of the returns for Avis Budget are. And got a couple more compacts. It's definitely been a busy summer, so lots of cars on the road for sure. And I'll just give you a peek. So this is where the returns are. Give you a quick peek. Some of the other cars that are available, these will eventually work their way up for rent again. It's only 2 cars over there in the budget section, but again, Avis Budget share the same fleet. And I'll just kind of quickly take you over the other side here. And we got a Hyundai Tucson here. And not too much else to show you, so this is going to be a quick one. We got a Ford Explorer. Oh boy, just startled me. We got a Ford Explorer here, somebody picking up a Corolla. And got a compact Nissan, and that's about it. Actually, there's a Toyota Prius, I think, over here as well, which might be part of Avis. Not sure if these folks are taking the Prius. Not sure if that's Enterprise or yeah, so that's Enterprise. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap things up here. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.